Welcome to this video. Really awesome to have you here with me. I've got a good one for you. I'm going to show you in this video a live setup of a Fiverr service, but with a bit of a difference. I've used AI exclusively to create this service, and I'm going to show you the prompts I've used, and I'm also going to walk you through how you can set up a service like this just on Fiverr super fast using AI. The other thing that I'll do, guys, is I will give you all of the prompts used in this video. So if you want to get a service out there on Fiverr super fast and everything done, this will definitely help you. More than that, what I'm going to do in a following video is actually show you results and sales with this Fiverr gig. Now I'll go over that in the next video, how I'll be promoting it and so on, but in this video I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get something up and out there. So if you do like this video, do give it a like, do give it a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you're interested in making money with AI. If you just want to go for it and you want to go step-by-step instructions and get income streams out there, do check out the AI income operating system. I'll link it in the description below. That's my course, and it will go into far more detail about how to make money online with AI. So let's get straight into it with this Fiverr test. So in case you don't know, just for those of you, most of you do, but for those of you that don't, Fiverr is just a place that you can sell your services, anything ranging from emails, funnel design, YouTube videos, video design, voiceovers. They do all sorts there, and you can set up jobs that you want to do for people, and it's as simple as that. You can also buy there as well, so it's a marketplace for services. Originally everything was $5. That's why it's called Fiverr. But they've expanded over the years, and now you can actually sell services that are a lot more money. So I'll walk you through the first prompt, and then I'll show you this setup and how easy it is. The first prompt I put in was: act as an experienced online business coach and Fiverr marketplace expert. Recommend the best high demand services I can start selling on Fiverr that can be fulfilled using AI tools and digital marketing skills. The service should have strong buyer demand, good pricing potential, and be suitable for a new Fiverr seller. Explain why this service is a strong opportunity and the type of buyers that will purchase it. So what it's done here is said AI powered lead generation system set up for local businesses. That's what it gave me here. That's the prompt I used. When I used it, with me, it actually said funnel design. So exactly the same thing, except not limiting yourself to local businesses, but designing funnels. And you can see there's what it recommends starting with. There's the sort of pricing potential, easy to fulfill using AI tools. So it's good for a brand new Fiverr seller and for this experiment as well. And then the second prompt was: act as a Fiverr gig strategist, help me position a professional service offering sales funnel setup for businesses and affiliates. Create a powerful Fiverr tagline, profile description, and work experience section that builds authority, trust, and focuses on revenue outcomes for clients. And check this out, this is when it really helps. So your Fiverr tagline. So I'm going to show you on Fiverr now how this translates into stuff that you can actually use to set up your profile. But you can see it's given me some suggestions for tagline. It's given me a profile description and then work experience and so on. Here's what mine looks like that I set up. So check this out. So I set this up. There was my gig title. There's the I will build a high converting sales funnel with landing page and email automation. There's the category that I've put it in. There's the email. You can only select two, so I've selected ClickFunnels and MailChimp, but I pretty much know how to use all of these, but they're the two that I've selected. And then it wants tags: lead generation, landing page, email campaign, automation, and online sales. Now I used AI to get those ideas, so I'll just show you the next phase. So the next prompt, once you filled that out and your profile and so on, is act as a Fiverr SEO expert, create high converting gig title options under 80 characters for a service offering sales funnel setup. In this case, landing page creation and email automation, focus on buyer search intent, conversions, and professional positioning. And there it gives me, so this is brilliant. Again, the thing with AI, guys, you don't have to use this copy and paste, but it's giving you some really good ideas there that you can copy and paste and then edit to go along. Okay, so I'll just show you what that looks like. Yeah, so I'll just read this. Act as a Fiverr ranking expert, suggest the best category, service type and search tags. So that's the one that I've just shown you. Prioritize tags that buyers are most likely to search, and then it's given me my tags. We've got some titles for our gigs now, which I'll show you in a second. And then act as a pricing strategist for Fiverr services. Create free gig packages for a sales funnel service. Start a growth and authority. Include exact deliverables, short package descriptions under 100 characters, and recommended pricing. Position the middle package as the most attractive option. So check this out. This is what it looks like, and again I used AI for all of this. Starter funnel, so it gave me a few different options. You can see starter funnel, growth funnel, authority funnel, and there's what I offer. One landing page, email opt-in, lead funnel for the standard, and then a complete funnel for the premium. Again, I might edit that a little bit, but you've got the delivery, how long it takes. You've got the because this is sort of email setup, it's already pre-populated some of these tick boxes with what I have to tick, and then you've got pricing suggested as well. Again, I might edit that around once I start sending traffic through, and then I've put options in case they want to speed it up. So it gives you plenty of ideas off that prompt. And then next one, act as a conversion copywriter. Write a Fiverr gig description under 1,200 characters for a professional sales funnel setup service. Highlight experience, results, lead generation, email automation and revenue growth. Include short, frequently asked questions that reduce buyer hesitation. And there's the output that it's given me. All good. And you can see here live the one I set up. Now what I did was I actually got AI to write this, but I did put some of my real world experience in there when I wrote the prompt, so you can do that. And it is true, I have built over 50 ClickBank products and achieved ClickBank premium status numerous times, and built funnels that generate real revenue for businesses and affiliates. So yes, it does help if you have experience, because you can put that in there. But either way, you can see on the ChatGPT, you can see it will write you out a description. Here we go. The way if you're starting out, you don't need to have it, it just helps. So there's the Fiverr gig description. I also got it to write the requirements, so when someone buys, this is the requirements of what I need from them. So, and AI did this. And here's the ones AI did. What is the main goal of your funnel? Please describe your offer. Do you already have branding materials? Which funnel or email platform will be used? And just some basic questions there that they're sent to me when they buy, so it will make designing the funnel far, far easier. Okay, and then the next thing was these images. I might do a video with this as well, guys, this service. Because you can upload a video here, which is 75 seconds, just a quick intro. But there's the images. And of course, if I upload a video, yes, I'm going to record myself, but I can get ChatGPT to write me out the script to use. And it did these little images to go with it. So I'll just show you this, what it looks like. So there is the gig in all its glory, all set up. Again, I may edit a few things like pricing and so on as we go along, but you can see the images there look nice. It's got an images. I'll add in an intro video, which will be good. Got a little profile picture, got a good title, got my offer set up, basic, standard and premium. And then if you go down here about the gig with AI, the description, all done. The industries are working, which is pretty much all of them for this, and then a little profile as well. And then down here, compare packages, and you can see everything there. And then when you go down further, you've got the frequently asked questions for the actual offer. Can you build full funnels? Yes, I can. What do you need from me to start. Do you provide funnel strategy advice? Yes, every funnel is built with a marketing strategy. So there you go. I'm not saying you have to set up a funnel building, but you can get a service using those prompts. I'll just show you the final prompts here. So as I've just shown you, this was the prompt to get all the Fiverr order requirements, act as a funnel strategist, create a list of clear Fiverr order requirement questions to collect all necessary information from a buyer before starting a sales funnel. The questions should help reduce revisions and speed up delivery. And there we go. You got that. That's actually far more in depth. You know, you could shorten that up for Fiverr, but you can see that there. And then act as a marketing designer, create a concept for a Fiverr gig image that will attract clicks for a sales funnel setup. Service include layout ideas, headline text, color scheme, and visual elements. Now, what I actually did was, once it gives you that, you can then say, and it's worth doing, you can then say to ChatGPT, you design it for me, and it normally gives really good results, like you can see with those two images there. So it's all set up, all ready to go. So the next phase is obviously getting sales. I'll do another video on that, how I'm going to drive traffic with the help of AI, and I'm probably going to use a combination of, well, I am going to use the paid ad service on Fiverr just to get traffic to it quickly, and you'll be able to see that working as well. But that is how quick you can set up your own service using AI and get it on Fiverr. Obviously go for something that's congenial to you, where you've got skills, but even if you haven't, type into AI, give me gigs that I can offer where you can fulfill it for me completely, and then you could use AI to actually deliver the product or the service. It does help if you have some experience, but that is how easy it is. So stay tuned, subscribe for the next video. I'm going to do a part 2 where you can I'll do 3 parts. Part 1 is this, part 2 is where you can see traffic coming in, and part 3 will be the sales, so you can see it all working. And give it a go. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be giving it a go. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in getting going fast, check out the AI income operating system. I'll link it in the description. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.